When you are ready to invite reviewers and select alternate reviewers for a new manuscript, please click on the Invite Reviewers link. Under the Reviewer Search section, you will see an option to search the journal database for reviewers. You can search for reviewers directly by their details, by classification matches, by personal classifications, or suggest reviewers not yet in the database. First, we'll talk about searching directly by reviewer information. To do this, select the option from the drop-down list and click Go. Please enter the relevant information for your reviewer, such as name or email address, using the drop-down boxes to select the criterion you want, and then click Search. A new section will then appear called Reviewer Candidates. To invite a reviewer, tick the box under the column headed INV, short for Invite. To choose a reviewer as an alternate reviewer, tick the box under the column ALT, short for Alternate. An alternate reviewer is a backup reviewer and is automatically invited in the event that one of your other reviewers declines. Once you are happy with your selection, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Proceed. From this page, you are able to confirm your selection and, if desired, customize your letter to the reviewers, for example, to ask them to assess a particular aspect or point of the manuscript. Please note that although you are able to customize your letter to the alternate reviewer choices at this stage, the letters will not be sent unless they are invited to review. Once you are ready to continue, click Confirm Selections and Proceed. You will then see a confirmation that the email has been sent and to which reviewers, and of who has been added to your list of alternates. Secondly, we'll talk about finding reviewers by classification matches. You can use the classification terms assigned to the manuscript by the authors to search the reviewer database. Select Search by Classification Matches from the drop-down box and click Go. This will bring up the 3 to 6 classification terms assigned to the manuscript by the author. Use the tick boxes to select some or all of these terms and click Submit to bring up matching reviewers from the database. You can then proceed to invite any candidates in the way previously described. Thirdly, we'll talk about searching by personal classification. If you identify keywords from the manuscript that are not included in the author classifications, or if you want to obtain a review on a specific but less major aspect of the work, you can use your own keywords and match them against personal keywords in the record of an individual reviewer. To do this, select Search by Personal Classification and then select Go. You can enter your keyword in the search box provided. Please note that you can combine this approach with the classification matches to refine your reviewer's search if one approach brings up too many results. Select the best match to your search term. Add the match to the selected classifications using the tick boxes and the Add button. Then select Search. Lastly, we'll talk about inviting a reviewer who is not already in the database. If you have identified a reviewer via an internet search engine or other method and wish to invite them but they are not currently listed in our database, then on the Reviewer Invite page, please use the Register and Select New Reviewer link in the left-hand column. This link is also available at the top and bottom of the Reviewer Search page. On clicking this link, you will need to enter a first and last name and an email address, then click Submit. This will take you to a screen where you can register the reviewer by proxy by entering some more details. Then scroll to the bottom and select either Register User and Send Letter or Register User and Do Not Send Letter, depending on whether you wish to inform the person you have registered them separately from inviting them to review. You will then be taken to a page which lists your newly registered individual as a reviewer candidate and can proceed to invite them in the same way as previously described.